Come on, let's go. Come on. Over here. Good morning. You're so sneaky. Good morning. Hi. Look at the cute little face. Hi. Hi. Are you ready for today? Yeah. Hi. Look who's all dressed and ready for today. That baby is. Can't get over how sweet you are. Good morning, guys. How is your day? Our day is going great. 'Cause someone's in a good mood. Yeah. Yeah. Oh, she has had some really good naps today and it's made for a very nice day for me because I am very tired. I decided to watch, what's it called? Captain America Civil War last night, and I decided that at like 10 p.m. so I was up till almost 1. Yeah. Ah, it's so cute. So I was up till almost 1 watching it, and then she woke up earlier than normal, so I'm so tired today. But you slept good and got good naps. Yeah. Where are you going? Do you see your toys down there? Dinkin! Peekaboo! Dinkin! Peekaboo! Who's that? Oh, you're so sweet. Hey, do you want to see the baby? Who's that? Baby.
Close enough.
Dada is kind of the same thing. He is, baby.
That's a good point.
Huck, you want to go to the ball? Do you want to go to the ball? Hello, buddy. He's so excited. He hasn't been outside and running in probably about a week. Let's see.
Oh, it's only been a few days.
No, Friday was the last time we took him. Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, 5 days. It's a whole business week. So.
Well, time to poop.
And he's pooping, so, you know. Dink. You look like you're concentrating too. She wants the toy in your hand. Look at her, she's like, what? Do you see the puppy coming? Look, watch the cook. He's running. Yeah, he's so cute. Go ahead.
He's such a
What are you doing? What's he doing?
Come here, buddy.
It does, my pretty baby. Look at the pretty leaves. Do you want to touch them? You can touch those ones because I know they're safe. The rest seem a little precarious.
Hey, Lincoln.
Is that Dada?
Lincoln. Come here.
Oh my gosh. What are you doing, Grace? Away from the tree. Look how densely wooded this is. Bella used to run back in here and I could never find her and it was scary.
Let's go get it.
And these ones look like scary leaves. Huck, do you want to go get the ball? Look, let's go get the ball. Giant bottle. Okay. Where's the ball? Go get it. Come on. You ready? It's right here, Huck. Oh, man. Okay. Here, look. Link's gonna throw it for you. Wrong. I'll throw it for you. Ready? There you go. This is so cute. So the other day someone commented about the date folders. Actually, we've had a couple people comment about the date folders, asking about them. And the thing is I made them under the assumption that we were moving to San Diego. So the first 2 took place in North Carolina, and the next 22 took place in San Diego. So they all kind of got nixed, and I would like to make new ones. But that took me a while to just like figure all that out and make all those ones. And so we haven't been doing them because they're all based in San Diego and we can't do them. So I know a lot of people have been asking about them, but we don't have them anymore because we can't do them. We're kind of sad about it too because they were cool.
Yeah, they were. God, Lincoln, your hands are so cold.
Say hi, Dada.
Look, get the ball. Get the ball. He won't get the ball.
Huck, get the ball. Get the ball. No. Okay, he might be done.
Lincoln, what's wrong?
It's okay.
I'm not sure, but I think something might be wrong. Bless you. Lincoln, look at the baby.
She's like, but this Orajel though.
Look at the baby. She doesn't even care. She just wants her Orajel.
Eyes are shut. When you've drunk all your bottle and you're safely tucked up, you might think that Bunny does just the same, snoring big and loud like an old steam train. But when you close your eyes, there's no need for a fright, because Bunny's job is to keep you safe at night. When Mommy has kissed you on your sweet head, Bunny takes over to guard your bed. He isn't scared of a bump or a noise or a creak, because Bunny is brave and won't dare go to sleep. He will rub your hair and sing you a song. He knows your mommy won't be in before very long. She will throw open the curtains and greet you good morning. That's when Bunny gets tired and starts his big yawning. So when you jump up from your bed, So when you jump up and from your bed you leap, Bunny lies down and like you now falls fast asleep. Digging that bottle though.
What's up? What's up? Oh my gosh, Lincoln. Well, you might have another diaper to change.
Maybe we'll give her a minute and see. Ooh, blurry. There it goes. So guys, this is me ending the vlog solo because as we were walking upstairs, Link started crying, and so Justin went in to rock her for a little bit, and hopefully it helps. She doesn't really cry usually. She never wakes up when she goes down, so if she woke up, it's for a reason. So we just watched Captain America Civil War. This is the second time I've seen it, and Justin's first. And I still don't like it that much. Like, I love the whole Marvel thing, and I loved Captain America 2. That is like my favorite Marvel movie ever. And so I was really excited for this one, but I just didn't like it that much. I'm not really sure. There's a lot of like continuity errors and weird things, and like I know a lot about the comic books, and Marvel like doesn't really follow them very well, and so I just thought it was strange. But anyway, that's just my rant about that. So we're going to bed. Good night.
Hi.
Say, Dad, I'm ready for you to come get me. Is Dada here? What is that? You do that so much now.